Okay, volume question. Hemisphere is 41 centimeter cubed. Calculate the radius of the hemisphere. So they tell you the volume, and we do know the formula: 2/3 pi r cubed for a hemisphere. Okay, so we could simply put 2/3 pi r cubed equals to 41. 2/3 pi then is 3.14 times the radius cubed equals 41. Get your calculator. 2/3 times 3.14 is that 2.093 recurring times r cubed equals 41. Of course, then you've got a times here, so to get r cubed you need to do 41 divided by 2.90, that number 2.093. So 41 divided by ants, okay, is something horrible. Blah blah blah. To get r, then you've got to cube root that answer. Okay. So shift square root. Okay. Shift square root to get that ants, and then it comes out to be, there you go, 2.6955. So 2.7 one decimal place. Okay. 40. The volume of a sphere is 45.9 litres. Calculate the radius of the sphere, giving you units in your answer. Now, if they give it to you in terms of litres, you need to change this to centimetre cubed. Remember, 1 litre is 1,000 centimetre cubed. So 45.9 litres will be 45.9 times 1,000. Okay? Which will be 45,900 centimetre cubed. So the volume will equal 45,900. The formula for a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Again, put the 4/3 in the calculator, times 3.14 equals 4.186 r cubed, because it was 45900. R cubed then will be 45900 divided by that, which is a very big number, and r then would be the cube root of that big number. So the cube root 22.2. Okay, and it says to give the units, I believe, so that's centimetres, of course, because we've converted it to centimetre cubed, so radius then will be centimetres. Okay, 12 spherical balls, each of diameter 10, are to be packed into containers. There are two types of container available. So you've got a cylinder and a cuboid. Okay, calculate the volume of one spherical ball. So 4/3 pi r cubed, 4/3 times 3.14. Now don't forget it's the radius, so that'll be 5, yeah, because the diameter is 10, radius is 5. So 4/3 times 3.14 times 5 cubed. Okay, so you get 523.3 centimetre cubed. Compare the total volume of the empty space when 12 balls are packed into cylinders, containers, with the total volume of empty space when they are packed into box containers. Okay, so if you've got 12 balls, that would be 12 lots of 523.3. So I'm going to use my answer here and times that by 12. It comes to 6,280 centimetre cubed. So all you've got to do now is work out the volume of the cylinder, volume of the box, the cuboid. Okay, so the volume of the cylinder, pi r squared h. So 3.14 times 5.5 for the radius squared times height, 63. Okay. So we've got the volume there for container A. Let's work out then the volume of container B, the box. So length times width times height. Which is 14,784 centimetre cubed. Now, we'd obviously need one box, and you'd be able to fit 12 of those balls in there quite easily. Okay, so in terms of empty space for the box, the empty space would equal 14784 take away 6280, so 8504 centimetre cubed. For the cylinders, you'd need two of them, wouldn't you? Because that's not enough for one, so you'd need two cylinders. So the empty space then be two lots of 5984.055. Wherever that is, take away the 6280. Which is 5688.11 centimetre cubed. Okay, so that would be for two cylinders, or one box. Okay, the empty space here then is 5688.11. The empty space here is 8504. Right, so we've got this one now. Volume of the complete box is 245 centimetre cubed. In fact, I'll take a break and we'll come back to it.